you cannot exit the drama of shame by just realizing and talking to yourself about this is just cultural conditioning. I want to be super clear here. The topics that you feel culturally ashamed for are conditioning. You can unlearn the content that you feel ashamed for. But you cannot exit the game of shame if you do not get that this is a biological instinct in your nervous system. And that's a super important thing. Because if you talk to the whole drama or matrix or material of shame in the terms of this is just a belief system in my mind, it's not. That is why I'm saying it's a biological instinct. You have to cooperate with your nervous system and you have to understand your nervous system in the very first place in order to unwind from the drama of shame. So we have the choice if we say shame is conditioning or shame is biology. However, both approaches, we just do that in order to empty out the game. Because an animal, and that is what I will come to in a minute, an animal is not meant to live in shame. I will quickly describe to you why I refer to shame as a biological thing. So, human beings as mammals are designed to fight or to go into fight or to go into flight when they are in danger and they see a chance of escaping without freezing and without collapsing. Let's say your design system chooses to fight. Then your design system choosing to fights against another animal. Two fighting animals in wilderness. One animal wins and attacks the other animal in a way that the other animal gives up. And this other animal tries to make a safe way home into the safe nest, into the own territory, in order to there check with the woundings, check is there a chance to survive, or am I attacked that deeply that I might just bleed until I have no energy anymore. So let's say this animal that lost the fight is wounded and attacked in a way that the body is severely damaged. There is something of, okay, I'm not fit enough to make myself home with the kind of speed that I would need now. My home is not close enough. I cannot withdraw from the attacking animal fast enough or soon enough. So I somehow have to pretend, and that is super important, I have to pretend that I am not wounded. I have to pretend that I am not wounded. I have to hide about the inner truth that I'm wounded and that I'm scared by the kind of unsafety. I have to fake that I'm still sovereign and still in charge. So this animal that lost the fight, and that it lost the fight is obvious for both animals. This animal tries to make its way into the safe home where it unwinds and trembles and releases the trauma by faking a kind of no, it doesn't hurt, it's all okay. And that is the biological mechanism of shame. What do we learn from that? Shame puts a layer of fake onto your face and your whole nervous system at a high price. You completely...
Yay! Thank you so much for being into full aliveness, no matter what. This truly means a lot to me. I have dedicated my whole work for over a decade to this topic. How do we become fully alive? And I have put everything that I found together in the so-called online pool, and you will find the link in the description below, and you are super welcome to check it out.